How to create a YouTube channel from scratch and grow it quickly just by posting to YouTube organically without paid ads. What's up, you guys? My name is Mario, and 1 week ago I created new channel to separate my travel videos around the world from my business. And as you can see, I literally started from scratch, and 7 days later I got almost 80,000 views, over 200 subscribers, and this is unheard of. Most people are struggling when they are getting started. When I got started, my first channel, I was struggling as well. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and let's get right into it. So this works in any niche, but before you start posting videos, you want to make a little research about your niche, right? So this is a travel niche. So you put your keyword here and find the channels that the creators who already have millions of subscribers, and check out their titles, what they do, what's their messaging, and model what works. So you don't have to reinvent the wheel. And then when you start posting, I use strategy that works great right now, which is YouTube Shorts. YouTube tries to incorporate short form videos into their platform, so they give you lots of exposure if you help them to build it, right? So another thing, so as you can see, like, you need to polarize your titles a lot. Like worlds, like one of the, like for my niche works great, like world's cutest, world's coolest, visiting every single country, world's tallest twin towers. So that works great. Now the most important is really you leveraging viral songs. Like that's why TikTok took off, because of all these songs that people add to the content. Like people want to listen to viral songs, and YouTube has this too, right? So you can find songs for any niche, right? And you need to make it relevant. So let's take a look at some examples. Visiting every single country in the world. And you can add, like, there is a song, Unstoppable, which is very popular. And you cannot talk, right? But you can add text, what you want people to do, right? So, and then animals work really great. So whenever I have a chance to record a cool animal, like this deer in Japan, world's cutest deer in Nara Park, right? I'm adding some text as well. So if you can incorporate animals and into your channel, that would work great. But maybe, let's say you can't, right? So let's take an example from my business channel where it works great as well. So maybe you have a business channel and need to grow it. So how to make money online from the beach. Right, there is a screenshot. It's about the money, and viral song on YouTube that I added there is called Money, right? So it's related to what is it all about, and I added text there. Want to quit your job, make money online, comment I'm in. On desktop it looks horrible because you cannot see the text, but it's optimized for phone where you can actually read the text. So that's how you make it work in make money niche. And you want to publish like at least 4 or 5 these shorts a day, because the more you publish, the higher chance some of it will go viral, right? And so as you can see, my top video got over 40,000 views, which is another animal, which is a monkey in Vietnam. And because it went viral, I started posting more monkeys. because I got subscribers who are interested in travel, but at the same time in monkeys. So I publish videos. What basically you need to publish videos what people want to see, right? As your channel grows, and when you have many subscribers, you can diversify, and people have different interests. But yeah, so this is monkey from Vietnam, this is a monkey from Thailand, and whenever I can, I try to put myself in that, so I develop a relationship with my audience, so I'm in the video as well. You also want to have a long videos, because people will get recommended your your subscribers, and people who watch your videos will get recommended long form content, so you also want to have some videos there. And another trick is YouTube currently is building the bridge between the shorts and long form videos. And so basically whenever you publish video on your phone, you can divide it into shorts and promote your long videos by using shorts. So let me quickly show you. Are Thai people fun? Right? And this is taken from, created from Travel with Mario, and when people click this, it will take there to my long video about Thailand, or what is it created from. After clicking, it will take them to my full video, which is my first impression of Thailand. And you want to use TubeBuddy, which is an extension, and basically that's how I created title for this video. If you want to have a discount, I will put link below. I will get a small commission from that, but this is like very important, because it will show you which keyword to rank for. Now you can use free version, but paid version is better, because it will show you which keywords to use for your specific channel depending on how many subscribers you have. So if someone already have millions of subscribers, it's easier to rank for almost anything, right? But if you have 0 subscribers, you need to choose long tail keywords. And so there is with free version you can only use unweighted, and you may not have to rank for that, even though it shows you good overall score, but this one will show you. But yeah, if you are on limited budget, you can get started with free version. It's totally fine. So like the video if you got value from it. Let me know if you have some questions below. Hey, I'm Mario, and if you want to start or grow your business from anywhere, please subscribe so I can help you live a life beyond your wildest dreams.